Many people are struggling in their life, and they do and know what to do and how to fix it. The reason for that is that they are not making any decision in their life. They are just living with the flow of the life. Whatever comes in front of them, they just jump into that without even thinking about it twice. We should not do that. Whatever you are doing, just make sure to decide and see the result yourself. Don't let others to decide for you. So here is why art of decision's important and hot to use it and make instant change to your life. First of all, when you are the one who decides for yourself, then no one can blame you for the outcome of your decision. Many people are not taking any decision in their life, and then later on they start blaming others for their failure or for their bad situation. When you are the one who decides, you take the responsibility of the outcome. So first thing is that when you decide for yourself, then you are the only person responsible for the results. No one else is responsible for that. Second is that it helps you grow faster. You see, when you start making decisions and taking actions, obviously there will be some mistakes, but by taking decisions and actions, you gain experience and that will help you to grow faster in life. But if you don't take any action, you don't make any decision, then you will remain on the same place forever. Third, when you learn to make decisions and take actions, it helps you to build confidence. You see, when you face problems, you try to find out the solution and you take a decision and solve that problem. Then it helps you to build confidence. It says that, okay, next time if I face similar kind of problem, I can solve it. So it helps you to build confidence and have a belief in yourself. And when you have a good decision-making ability and good confidence, then you can achieve anything in life. These are the three main reasons why you should learn the art of decision-making. And now we will discuss how it can help you to change your life instantly. You see, there are many people who think that they don't have any problems in their life. Their life is perfect. That's why they don't need to change anything. But actually, that is wrong thinking. Even if your life is perfect now, but if you don't work on yourself, you don't learn new things, you remain the same, then obviously after a few years you will become outdated and your life will be full of problems. So we should keep improving ourselves. We should keep learning new skills so that if any problem comes in our life, we can solve that easily. If you want to make instant change in your life, then you have to start making decisions and taking actions. You see, when you face a problem, instead of thinking about it again and again and again, just take a decision and take an action. For example, if you are overweight, you are obese, then what will you do? Will you keep on thinking about it again and again and again? No, you have to take a decision. You have to take action. Obviously, if you take wrong decision and take wrong action, then it may happen that you put on more weight. But if you take correct decision and take correct action, then it will help you to lose weight. Same is true for every situation. Every situation has two possibilities. Either you take a decision and take an action, and if you take a right decision and take a right action, then it will help you to get out of that problem. And if you take a wrong decision and take a wrong action, then obviously you will suffer. But better to suffer by taking decision and taking action rather than not taking any decision and just keep on thinking about it again and again and again. So these are the two things. First of all, why it is important to make decisions in your life and how it can change your life. Just take a decision, take an action, and don't regret later on what you have done. Just move on. Keep moving forward in life and never ever give up. If you have faith in yourself, then nothing is impossible for you. You can achieve anything in life. So make decisions, take actions, and live your life happily.